Hi everybody, I'm on westelm.com website because I want to talk about West Elm Credit Card benefits and how to log in and apply for this card. And as you see, this card, West Elm Credit Card, includes 7 brands and has many benefits. For example, you can get 10% back in rewards, and if you buy something for your first 30 days, 5% thereafter at West Elm, Pottery Barn, Williams Sonoma, and more. And also, there are option loan purchases of and $750 or more. And if you want to apply this card, you need to click apply now button here. And also there I want to talk about other benefits of West Elm credit card. For example, you can get earn key rewards everywhere you shop. For example, um, 5% at West Elm, Potterborn, Williams Sonoma, and more, and 4% on groceries and dining, but this excludes fast food, and 1% on any other purchases everywhere Visa is accepted. Also, you can redeem your rewards at there are 7 brands. These brands are West End, Pottery Barn, Pottery Bar, and more benefits here. Also, you can get 25 birthday rewards, and you are emailed annually to activate card members. Yes, as you see, if you want to use one card for seven seven brands, I think this card is for you. And the brands are Western, Potterborn Kids, Potterborn Teen, Williams Sonoma Home, and Margaret Graham. So you can apply now. You can click apply now button to apply this credit card, and it's really easy to use this website. And also you can click account button on the right type of the website as you see, but I think there is a menu after this. Yes, I'm right. And if you want to sign in, you can click sign in or create account. And if you are B2B member, you need to click B2B member sign in button. And also you can see your rewards on key rewards button here. Yes, I think it's done. So thank you for watching my videos. Please like and share and make comments on my videos. Thanks a lot.